Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Recently we have installed a Sir Grange Zoysia putting green here at Lawn Solutions HQ. If you haven't seen it already, check out part 1 where you can get up to date with the install. In this video we'll share an update of our progress and also show you how we're going to keep this lawn green throughout the winter. In the last few weeks, we have noticed the grass has been entering dormancy. It's slowed down in growth and is losing some colour, a natural part of the plant's process during the cooler months. Provided your grass goes into winter healthy by being fertilised in autumn and has all the sufficient nutrient that it needs, it will handle winter without any issues and will bounce back really well during spring. We have been watching this lawn closely during the establishment phase and it's in an ideal condition to handle the colder months. You may notice that this lawn has no weeds. That's because we've treated it with Oxafert Pre-emergent herbicide, so we're on top of the winter weeds before it breaks out of dormancy in spring. This area will continue to lose more colour over the next couple of months, but we are going to address this by applying a turf pigment to keep it green until spring. We are not just going to apply any turf pigment, we are going to apply ColourGuard Plus, and there's a great reason for this. ColourGuard Plus is a specially formulated organic pigment which is designed to provide an instant natural green boost to dormant turf. It also helps protect the grass against frost and the colder weather by coating it in a pigment, but it also darkens the colour which helps the lawn to absorb more sunlight. When we were formulating this natural turf pigment, we wanted to ensure that it could provide more than just a colour boost. So we added a professional grade foliar fertilizer. So this product not only improves the colour, it gives your lawn a nutrient boost as well. ColourGuard Plus is an Australian-made formulation containing natural pigments that have been optimised and tested extensively to ensure a highly natural result. We recently toured the facility where ColourGuard Plus is made and looked at all the specialised machinery that grinds the pigments down very fine for perfect dispersion. This facility is responsible for creating pigments and colour for the use in a whole range of products from textile coatings, children's playground areas, the soft floor rubber, basically anywhere there is colour. ColourGuard Plus also has a special polymer additive which acts as an adhesive to help the product better stick to the plant. This gives it greater longevity, but also helps with a more even application. You will notice that we've left the longer Sir Grange untreated to give it contrast up against the treated shorter Sir Grange. The other reason we did this was to show off the beautiful golden colour that longer Sir Grange gets over the cooler months. We will treat the longer Sir Grange with Exceed foliar fertilizer to help give it a kick of nutrients before the colder months set in, and also to help it bounce back again in spring. The Sir Grange is now ready to handle the rest of winter. Our next update will be in spring when all the fun stuff starts, where we get the mower out and get this grass right down to putting green height. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.